Do you want to boost your ACT math score? Let's solve this question together and wait till the end because I'll give you a similar question to solve. Now we have 3m over 8 plus 2m over 3. To solve this now, we have to look for the LCM of these two. And the LCM, let's just multiply both. 8 times 3 is 24. Let's use that as the LCM. So 8 will go in 24 three times. So we say 3 times this numerator 3, that will be 9. So this will give 9m. Then plus 3 will go in 24 8 times, and 8 times 2 is 16. So this will be 16m. So 9m plus 16m will be 25m over 24. And if you look at the option, that is option C. So for this question, option C is the correct answer. 25 over 24 m, and that is your answer. So now you solve this. 5 over 7p plus 3 over 2p. Simplify this and leave your answer in the comments. And if you have any question, there is a link in the description. Just click on the link and type or upload your question there, and I will help you with the solution.